We'll guide you through how to connect a wireless mouse to a laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Using a mouse like this can be much more convenient than the touchpad or trackpad. Now, you may go and have a mouse with a physical dongle, which like this, or it can go and be Bluetooth. We're going to go and show you how to connect using both. First of all, you just want to come onto the mouse itself. Do just go and check, because sometimes on a mouse you can go and slide off the back, and there you'll need to go and put in batteries. And also you can sometimes go and find the dongle in there as well. That tends to be an older mouse. But for example, this mouse here has got a charger because it's got a built-in battery. We don't physically put them in. So make sure it's got charge, you've got batteries in it. Then what we're going to do is go and switch it on. There should go and be a switch potentially. That's now switched on. Now, if your mouse has a dongle to go and connect it, you should just be able to go and slide it in. So I'm just going to go and slide the dongle in. Then it should go and connect. And now I can go and start moving the mouse, as you can see, and it goes and works. However, if you want to go and connect using Bluetooth, then what we're going to do is we're going to go onto the laptop. We'll have to go and use the trackpad, press the Windows Start button, and we'll go to Settings, press Bluetooth and Devices to the left. Then you want to go and press Add Device, press Bluetooth. Now it's going to start scanning. I'm just going to unplug this to show you we're going to connect it. So what you then want to do is go and find the button on the mouse. I can press the button on the back and I can switch between the different connections. I could go and press it once to get to 2. I'll then tap and hold it until it starts flashing. And that indicates in Bluetooth pairing mode. I can come on here and I can go and see the mouse. It's called the MX Master. I am now going to connect using Bluetooth. As you can see, I'm now connected and it works.